Hi guys, in last video we have discussed about what is Apex collection, why we need to use collection, when we need to use collection. In types we have discussed about list and list methods. In this video we are going to discuss about set and set method and its examples. So first we'll see about what is set. A set is an unordered element of unordered collection of elements that do not contain any duplicates. It means a set method, it won't allow the duplicate values and it won't maintain any instruction order. So this is the set. And data types of set is, it may be contains primitive types, collections, s object and user defined types. So these are the data types in the set method it will accept. So now we'll see about syntax of set method. Go to your developer console, create one method, public void. I'm going to say create one method as set method. Syntax. Syntax set and data types, any data types, and variable name. Because I am giving my set, new set and data type. So this is the syntax of the set method. So now we'll see the examples. So set data type, I'm going to giving data type called is string and value, set value equal to new of set string data types. So bracket. Now I'm going to add the elements in set method. Add element in set. For that, set value dot add element. I'm going to give the element called first. Like that we can add the element. First one, two, I'm going to give 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now we'll print this one, system dot debug add method. Just save it this one and go to your execute window, copy this method class name and copy this method name, just and click on execute button and click the debug only checkbox. Now we can able to see 5, 4, 1, 3, 2. There is the it not maintain the any order. So it means the set method won't allow the duplicates and now it won't contain the any order. So that's why it printing 5, 4, 1, 3, 2. Now we'll see the duplicate. We can add one duplicate value and check in our output. I have added two 1 values. Now we will see in the output. Go to your execute window, click on execute button. Now see, I have added to one element, but here is printing only one element only. So that means it won't allow any duplicate values, and it won't maintain any ordered. So it is called set. And we'll see about next method called remove method. I'm going to remove the third value. I'm going to remove. After remove method, just save it this one. Click on execute window. Now we can see the three value has been removed from the list. So next we'll see about size method. I'm going to declare one integer and value equal to dot size. The size of element is, now we'll see the what is the value is printing in this value. Open execute window, click on execute button, click debug only. Now we'll see four values available in list. That four, the element has been printed, number is called 4. So next we will see about add all value from the list. Add all from list. So for that, first we need to create one list value, list of string l, list value equal to new of list of string value colon enter. Now I'm going to add two more value dot add 6. I'm going to add 6 value only. And dot add all of this list value. I'm going to add the list value into set values. Just save it. After add all values from list. Just save it this one. Go to your execute window, click on execute button. Click on debug only. Now see that the 6 value has been added into the list. So this is like that only we can able to add the list value into set method. So now we have discussed about now we are going to we are going to see about the method from list of set method into set method. So for that we need to create one set method. Set add set add set. I have created one element and dot add of 1 2 3. I have added the 3 element. I am going to add this 3 element into existing set method. After add on from set, just save it this one. Go to your execute window, click on execute button. Now see 1 2 3 the element has been added into existing set method. So like that only we can able to add the list of set method into another set method. So now we'll see about the contains method. Next method is contains. Contains method. Add all from set. So for that we need to create one if else condition. If else dot contains 1. Mm, this set variable contains one value, else we are going to print method not contain one method. Means in this list value if contain one variable it will print one value, otherwise it will execute the else condition. To your just save it this one and go to your execute window, click on execute button. Now see in the list one value is available, so the set value method is not contain one value, so somewhere is mistake. Now we can see the set value not contain one method but the values contain one. The reason is for the we are given the small o, so now given the capital O. So now we'll see this one. because collection is contained in the case sensitive. Now go to execute. Now we can see about that. Click on debug only. Now we can see in the set value contain one value, so like that only we can able to use the contains method in collection set method. So now we can able to we can see about clear method and set value dot clear means we can able to remove all the values from list. After the clear method, just save it this one. Go to your execute window. Click on debug only. Now we can see that all the values has been removed in this clear method variables. So like that only we can use the clear method in set. Now we are going to see about how to retrieve the values from list. For that, first one we can use for each method, and second one is using iterator. First we'll see about using for each. For each, for that we going to for string s1 colon that list values. Now we are going to print all the values. System dot debug this s1 value plus s1. Just save it this one. Go to your execute window. Click on debug only. Now we can see all the values has been printed one by one by one. So now we will see using the iterator some value it value equal to that set value dot iterator and in while loop we need to print it value dot as next in system dot debug it value is dot next. Just save it this one. Variable does not contain, we need to use the data type here. Yeah, we use a string value. Just save it this one. Now all the error has been cleared. It value, go to execute window, click on execute button. Now we'll see the debug only. Now we can able to see all the values has been printed using the iterator method. This one is printing all the values using for each method. So these are the methods and iteration method in set method. So now we'll see about list. So we have discussed first what is set. The set is duplicate values are not allowed, and insertion order is not preserved, and no index. It won't contain any index, but the list is contain the index value. So this is a data type of the set method. Set data type equal to set equal to new set of data type. So it may be contain the primitive data type contain, it may be contain the data type of primitive types, collection, S object, user defined types, and built-in Apex types. So now we have discussed about methods. Add, remove, add method, remove method, size, add all from list, add all from set, clear, clone, equals, and contain. And these are the method we have discussed in earlier. So these are the methods and definition about list method. So next video we will discuss about apex map, why we need to use map, and map methods in collections. So thank you for watching.